Hello, learners, and welcome back to your own channel, LIY English. Learn it yourself. So, learners, in this video, we will be covering one of the most important yet complicated English grammar topic, which is simple, complex, and compound sentences. Any group of word that makes complete sense. Any group of word that gives information about something and is meaningful is called a sentence. There are three kinds of sentences in English: सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कंपाउंड। इस वीडियो में हम तीनों सेंटेंसेस को डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल्स। सो लेट अस बिगिन द लर्निंग। First, we will understand simple sentences. A simple sentence is a sentence which comprises of subject and a predicate. Simple sentence में subject और predicate होता है. What is the subject? Subject is generally the doer of the verb. उस particular sentence का जो verb है, जो action word है, उसका जो करने वाला है उसे हम subject कहते हैं. What is a predicate? Predicate is that part of the sentence that gives information or that tells something about the subject of the sentence. Okay, so in a sentence, if you find a subject and a predicate, subject the main doer of the verb and the predicate the part that gives information about the subject, is called a simple sentence. So basically you can say a simple sentence is nothing but one independent clause. Now let us understand this with the help of examples. A lion was sleeping outside his den. This is an example of simple sentence because in it we find a subject which is a lion, because in this sentence information is given about a lion. So a lion is the subject in the sentence and the part was sleeping outside his den, which is object and verb of sleeping and object outside his den. This is the part which gives information about subject lion. So this is called predicate. So a sentence comprising of a subject and a predicate, this is an example of a simple sentence. Let's look the other one. I learned a lot of things. Here the subject is I. Learned a lot of things. Learn is a verb. Object is lot of things. This part is called the predicate, which is giving information about I, that I learned a lot of things. So this also is an example of simple sentence. Let's look at the other one. He felt extremely happy. He is the subject here, felt extremely happy is the predicate. So this also is an example of simple sentence. So learners, what is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is nothing but one independent clause in which there is a subject and a predicate that gives information about the subject. Now move on to the second type, complex sentences. What is a complex sentence? A complex sentence comprises of टू क्लॉजेस, इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जिसे हम मेन क्लॉज के नाम से भी जानते हैं और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जिसे हम सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज के नाम से भी जानते हैं. तो ये सेंटेंस में दो क्लॉजेस होते हैं, दो पार्ट होते हैं. एक पार्ट जो मेन क्लॉज होता है वो इंडिपेंडेंट होता है क्योंकि वो कंप्लीट होता है. कंप्लीट सेंस, इट गिव्स कंप्लीट सेंस, इट कैन स्टैंड आउट ऑन इट्स ओन एंड इट गिव्स कंप्लीट मीनिंग. That part is called the independent clause. There is another part or another clause in the sentence which is incomplete, which is subordinate, and it is dependent on the first part, independent part, to give the complete meaning. So such type of sentences where there are two parts, one independent clause, another dependent clause, is an example of complex sentence. Let us understand with the help of example. Here you can see this complex sentence. When he reached there, they had already left. This is one complex sentence which is made by including two clauses. When he reached there, this is one clause. They had already left. This is one clause. Now let us just divide them in our mind. Let us divide and think, can we put this part when he reached there on its own? Can we write it and will it make complete sense? Will it be complete without any grammatical mistake? No. When he reached there, this is incomplete. You know something is there which will complete it. and that something is the other part, which is they had already left. This part can stand on its own as an individual sentence because it conveys complete meaning. It makes sense. So this part is called the independent clause. When he reached there is the dependent clause. You can say this is the subordinate clause and they had already left. This is the main clause. So in this sentence there are two clauses, dependent clause and independent clause. So this is an example of complex sentence. Let us try to understand this with more examples. As I entered the kitchen, I smelled the freshly baked cake. जैसे ही मैं kitchen में enter हुआ, I smelled the freshly baked cake. So as I entered the kitchen is dependent. It is incomplete. It cannot stand on its own. You have to read the other part to understand the whole meaning, which is I smelled the freshly baked cake. This is the independent clause. This is the main clause because it makes complete sense and it can stand on its own individually as well. So this is an example of complex sentence. Another one, as I expected, जैसे मैंने expect किया था, the movie was entertaining. Movie जो entertaining थी. So as I expected is a dependent clause because it is incomplete. It is meaningless without the other part. The movie was entertaining is complete. It can stand on its own. It can be kept independently as a sentence. So in this sentence there are two parts, dependent clause and independent clause. This is an example of a complex sentence. Now move on to the third category, compound sentences. The most simplest one. What is a compound sentences? Compound sentence is a sentence which is made by joining two independent clauses, two meaningful clauses with words like and, but, because, which are conjunctions. For example, it was a difficult task, but he accomplished it with his hard work. If you look at this example, this is an example of a compound sentence. Both the parts, it was a difficult task. It is a complete sentence. It is a complete clause. He accomplished it with his hard work also is a complete clause. So both these parts are independent clauses. Both these parts are main clauses, which is joined together with the word but, which is a conjunction. जो words sentences को जोड़ने के काम आते हैं उन्हें हम conjunction कहते हैं. So ये example है compound sentence. Now another example, I can do it and I will do it. I can do it also, independent clause. I will do it also, independent clause. They are joined together with a conjunction and. So this is an example of a compound sentence. We didn't step outside today. Complete. It makes sense because it was raining cats and dogs. It was raining cats and dogs also is a complete sentence. So both these independent, main, complete, meaningful clauses are put together with the conjunction because. So this also is an example of compound sentences. Now let's recap quickly. We understood simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Simple sentence is nothing but one independent clause in which there is one subject and a predicate. Subject is the doer of the verb and predicate is the part that gives information about the subject. We understood complex sentence. What is a complex sentence? In complex sentence, there are two clauses. One clause is independent clause. The another clause is dependent clause. Independent clause is meaningful and complete on its own. Dependent clause is meaningless without the independent clause. It is dependent on the independent or the main clause to convey the whole meaning. And then we finally looked at the compound sentences, which is nothing but the joining of two independent clauses, two meaningful sentences together joined with a conjunction is an example of a compound sentence. So that's all for this video, simple, complex, compound. I hope you all understood and liked it and enjoyed it. If you did, please put a thumbs up, share among your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you very much.